Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Thanks for stopping by. Today I am doing a Happy Mail share. Sharon from Cheap to Chic and I decided to do a Project Life card swap, and I just received her package. I'm super excited. I have opened the package and taken everything out, but I haven't actually looked at everything. She sent me this card. Thank you, Sharon, for that. The first set she has in this really cute bag. It's the Azure collection, which I do not have. This is a really nice set. This has more of that vintage feel. I love these. She shared so many of the cards with me. Thank you so much for those. These are beautiful. And then the larger ones. I'm definitely more of a vintage or muted tone in my personal crafting. In projects that I make, I usually do the cute and the colorful, but in my personal stuff, I prefer vintage and the muted tones. And I don't have any of these collections. Here it says the favorite things. Let's take a look. These are fun. Definitely like these ones too. These are nice light colors, beautiful, so many. And I have organized all of my Project Life cards since I did another swap with Marissa. And so I did get all of my cards organized. And so now these will fit right into my collection. These are so nice. Thank you so much for those. She sent me these full kits. They're not even opened. And this is the childhood edition. I've never heard of this store. That must be something out where she's from. These also look like they have the nice vintage feel to them. Thank you for sharing a brand new project with me. This set, I'm trying to see if there's a name. This looks like a chalkboard set. Oh, look at that. Very nice there. Thank you for sharing an entire set with me. Did not have to do that. We have this one. This is kiwi. Includes glittered paper. This will probably be one of my favorites. I love the hearts. Thank you for sharing those with me. We have this one, which says planner. I have to open this one up to see. Super cute. I have paper that matches that. And then these are great for to put right in your planner. Love that. And then it also has the bigger cards. Love that one. Oh, I love the clouds too. And you don't have to just use these cards for Project Life. They make great journaling pieces and junk journals. They make great card bases. And then she sent this weekly planner pages. It's a Project Life. Oh wow, look at this. So this has all the months, and on one side it has an inspirational quote, and then on the other side it has projects, movies, books that you can fill in. That's super fun. This is a really thick quality cardstock as well. And then after the months we have, oh wow, this is really nice. This is like an actual planner with a weekly schedule. I love how it has those nice camping lists right up my alley. So then there's also all of these other fun things to fill out. This would make a really great yearly junk journal just to track your whole life. So thank you so much for sharing this amazing project with me. I don't have this. I've never even seen this. Let's see. We have, it says recipe cards. Wow, look at those. Are fun. These are super cute. Again, these are really nice colors, and you could use this if you don't have a recipe that you want to share. You could use this as a card base. It's lemons. It's so fun. How cute those are. Very versatile. Thank you so much for sharing those. I've never seen their recipe cards either. I didn't even know that they made something like this. Very sweet. In here, we have another package. We have some felt gingerbread men, and I've been staying out of the dollar store, so I do not have these. We have some wood snowflakes. These are very pretty. And then we have wooden gingers. So cute. Oh my goodness. Sharon, thank you so much for all of these amazing goodies. I love all of them. I cannot wait to put them in my stash and to start using them and sorting and organizing them, which is one of my favorite things to do. I hope you like what I sent you, and thank you guys so much. I will link Sharon's channel down below. Have a great day. Bye, guys.